Welcome, young explorers! Today, we embark on a cosmic journey. Are you ready to venture into space? Let's pick up our markers and get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Take your black marker and begin by sketching a majestic circle, the Earth, our home among the stars. Add those defining curved lines to represent continents and oceans. The Earth is taking shape. Next, craft a beautiful crescent moon. Twinkling stars. And the radiant sun to bring the cosmos to life. Twinkling stars. Let's expand our cosmic realm. Sketch a smaller planet. Now draw the mighty Saturn adorned with its breathtaking ring. Each planet has its own charm in the vastness of space.
Wow!
Once your sketches are complete, it's time to emphasize their contours with bold strokes using the black marker. Make them stand out against the cosmic canvas. Now, let's infuse color into our cosmic creation. Introduce shades like bottle green, light green, navy blue, sky blue, sunny yellow, vibrant orange, and earthy brown to bring vibrancy to each element. Bottle green color. Light green color. Navy blue color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Orange color. Navy blue color. Sky blue color. Light green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Brown color. Orange color. Sky blue color.
Cool!
To complete our celestial scene, blend white and dark blue watercolors. Carefully paint the backdrop, capturing the endless expanse of the cosmos, sprinkled with twinkling stars. As we bid adieu, keep exploring the mysteries of space through your drawings.
Awesome!
Until next time, happy stargazing and keep nurturing your artistic journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.